Good morning students, welcome to our maths class. In last video we learned about like fractions, unlike fractions and equivalent fractions, right? So like fraction means what? Like means where denominators are same. Okay, numerators may be different or same, but denominators are same. So in like fractions, denominators are same. Okay, denominators are same, right? So denominator and numerator. Okay, denominators, if denominators are same, then suppose it is 2 by 3, 5 by 3, 1 by 3, 7 by 3. Okay, all these are like fractions. Why they are like fractions? Because the denominators are same. Okay, now second is unlike fractions. So in unlike fractions, it is totally opposite of like fractions. Okay. So if denominators are same, then here denominators are different. Here denominators are different. So it will be like this. Okay. See here all the denominators are different. So it is unlike fraction. Okay. And then last one is equivalent fractions. Equivalent means same. Suppose 2 by 3 is there. Okay, fractions are same but names are different. 2/3, then it is 4 by 6. These are equivalent fractions. Then 6 by 9 means if we simplify these two fractions, then we get this 2 by 3. How? We see. Suppose it is 4 by 6, and if we divided both numbers by same number, which is 2, then what we get? 2 2s are 4, 2 3s are 6. This 2/3. Okay. If 6 by 9 is there, and if we divided both the numbers by same number, which is 3, then we get 3 2s are 6 and 3 3s are 9. See, 2 by 3, 2 by 3 and 2 by 3. So it is equivalent fractions. Okay. Now our today's topic is to find the fractions of a number. To find the fractions of a number. If any number is there, we have to find the fraction of that number. So in your textbook, page number 120, there is one question that Mrs. Singh had to write 15 certificates for distribution on school day. So far, she has written 2/5 of the certificates. Means how many certificates are there? How many certificates are there? 15 certificates are there. Okay, total certificates. And from that, how many certificates has been written? 2/5 of the certificate. So, certificates written equals to 2/5 of certificates, means 15. 2/5 of 15. Now, the meaning of this of means multiplication. This 2/5 into 15. Okay, always keep it in mind that of means multiplication, because board mass is there. Okay, which is, it is bracket, then of is always multiplication. Of means always multiplication. Then it is division, multiplication, addition and subtraction. It is next topic. But You have to keep it in mind that of means multiplication. Okay. So 2/5 of 15 means 2 by 5 into 15. Okay. Now what to do? Now here this 2, this multiplication and 50. Okay. If we consider these two numbers, then we have to multiply these numbers with each other. Okay. And if we consider these two numbers, denominator and this number, then we divide this bigger number from this number. Okay. This here operation is divide and here operation is multiply. So what we do? We do first divide. So first divide this 15 by which number? By this number. So we get 5 3s are 15. Okay, 5 3s are 15. And now multiply this 3 by 2. So we get the answer 6. Okay, this 2/5 of 15 is 6. How it is? Now I will draw here some certificates. Okay, these 15 certificates are there. Okay, and 2/5 of certificates are written. 2/5 means what? 2/5 means what? From the 5 equal parts, she write 2 equal parts. Okay, so means this 15 certificates are there. Now what we do? We make it in a 5 groups. So 15 divided by 5 equals to 3. Means one group is of 3 certificates. So it is 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Okay, got it? Means 15 certificates are there and 2/5 certificates are written. 2/5 certificates are written means what? From 5 certificates, 2 certificates are written. So it means that we have to make 5 equal parts. So we divide this 15 by 5. So we get 3. Means each group is having 3 certificates. Okay. Now, so it is group 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Okay. From this 5 groups, she writes 2 groups. Okay, 2 groups means how many certificates? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 certificates. Right? Means it is just like this: 2/5 of 15. 2/5 of 15. So first, what we have to do? We have to divide this 15 by 5. So we get answer 3. Okay, and then multiply this 3 by 2. So we get the answer 6. Okay, so it is our answer. Got it? So in exercise 7C, first question is, here are 12 friends. How many friends are there? 12 friends. Draw earrings for 3/4 of them. Put bindis on 5/6 of them. Make 2/3 of them wear spectacles. Okay, means what we have to do, I will explain. So students, here there are 12 friends. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 and 12. How many friends are there? 12 friends. So from this 12 friends, we have to draw earrings for 3/4 of them. So 3/4 of 12. Okay. 3/4 of them we have to draw earrings. Earrings means जो कान में पहनते हैं. Okay. So earrings. So 3/4 of them means, first of all what we have to do, we have to divide this 12 by 4. So we get 4 threes are 12. Okay. Then what we have to do? We have to multiply this 3 by this 3. So 3 into 3 equals to 9. Okay. Means from 4 we have to draw 3 groups earrings. Okay. Means how many friends? 9 friends. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9 we have to draw earrings. Okay. Suppose it is ears and you can draw here earrings. Okay. So I draw just like this. But you can draw a nice because I know that your drawing is very nice. Okay. So no, we have to draw only 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. Okay, don't draw all friends. So now second is 5/6 of them where to put bindis. Okay, 5/6 of what? 12. Okay, same, divide this 12 by which number? By denominator. So 12 by 6 equals to 2. This 12 divided by 6 means 6 2s are 12. Now multiply this 5 by 2. So 5 2s are 10. Means 10 friends. For 10 friends we have to put bindis. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. Okay. The last is 2/3 of them wear spectacles. 2/3 of 12. Okay. This divide this 12 by 3, we get 4 and multiply with this 4 by this 2, so 8. So 8 frames, to 8 frames we have to draw spectacles. Okay. Alright, how to draw the spectacles? It's in a simple manner. So you can draw like this. Use pencils. How many friends we have to draw? 8. So this 3, 3, 6, 7 and it was last one 8. Okay. So this question here it is ended. So you have to solve this also, and this also. Okay. So it is exercise 7C question number 1. It is over here. Now question number 2. We have to solve. You please try it at your home. Okay. I will explain you it in a next video. Up to that, thank you. Bye bye. See you.